So you basically are reading data from a text file, populating some objects, and then computing low, high, and average. People say that, well, I can do all of this in main and life is good, but that will definitely earn you a 0 out of whatever max points you're getting, even though your program may functionally run properly. It is important for me that you use the design that I have provided here. Why? Because that's the part of learning the design. So package, I guess we can call it lab 5 or lab 2 or whatever you want to call it. But there is a student class with SID, student ID, and 5 scores. And that's, you write all the methods, getters, setters, and so on. So one of these represents a row in the text file. So whenever you read one row, you're going to instantiate the student object and fill in the relevant properties. Then there is another class called statistics, which has 3 one-dimensional arrays. Make them private. I did not. But the conventions now are what? Private. So then you can use these, you write these public methods, find high, average, and low, right? And you pass in the student class. Kindly don't make these as static methods, because you tend to, or you'll have the need to. Don't make them static, okay? And then we'll also create a class called util that will have a read file method. And it will return, that can be static, and it will return a student array. We pass in a student array and we return a student array. Do we have to? Let's deliberate that on Monday. If you have a, because this is already being passed by reference, so maybe we don't need to. Right? And then this is all the logic you have to apply for read file. If you guys have questions about how a read file method should be written, I would refer to the code in assignment 3, because it's pretty much the same, except the object configuration is a little bit different. So I really want you guys getting good with writing parsers, right? Working with text files, working with memory, because that's at the heart of any coding that you'll do, because you're tackling data. So to put it all together, I provide you with a main listing. So you create a student array, you populate the array, and then we create a statistics object and call the find low, find high, and find average method, and we print those out. To show you how to work with different topics, here is how to read data from a text file. Here is a little snippet that shows you how to work with string tokenizer. This shows you how to convert a string to an integer, right? And this shows you how you will be graded, how you will earn points. Are you all submitting class diagrams? Yeah. Not just a box linked to another box, because I did not take off points previously. When I need a class diagram, you guys should please look at this topic called drawing class diagrams. It's a very nice PDF that tells you what I expect. And we've talked about it more than once now, right? If you just give me boxes with arrows that'll get you partial credit. But I'm looking for the full blueprint of the program. Full blueprint means class name, properties with modifiers and data types, methods with complete signatures. 4. Okay? So, and you have to use packages also in assignment 5, not 4. 4 is fine. You know. For assignment 5, you have to use packages as well. Yeah, you can create a util package and a student package or whatever you want to name them as. Okay? All right, so we'll talk about the design in more depth on Monday. Have a great rest of the week, what's left of it, and